Ready to turn your spare time into cash? Today, we're diving into something totally fresh: earning from Google. Yep, you heard it right. We're exploring a simple trick that could bank you up to $7,500 a month or $250 every single day. And get this, your secret weapon? Google News. No need for fancy degrees here, folks. This works worldwide, no qualifications necessary. So, wherever you are, this opportunity's knocking. Let's dig in and discover how to turn your browsing into bucks. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips. Let's dive right into the core of this video, and I'm here to walk you through each step. To start, head over to the well-known google.com. Once you're there, just do a simple thing. Type Google News in the search bar and press enter. You'll be taken to Google News, where you can find all the latest local and worldwide news updates. Now, let's get into the first move, which is pretty simple, I promise. Just pick topics that catch your attention, things that are getting talked about, getting popular, or just spark your interest. Whether it's tech, business, sports, entertainment, science, or health, you've got a lot to choose from. In this video, we're going to focus on business and health stuff. And don't go anywhere, because I've got a little surprise for you. I'll show you how to turn these picks into actual money a little later on. So, stay tuned. There's more good stuff on the way. Let's browse around and see if anything grabs our attention. Oh, and let's also choose a health topic to show how flexible this side job or money-making chance can be. There are plenty of interesting articles here that I'm really intrigued by. Let's choose this topic, which is about waist-to-height ratio associated with cardiometabolic risk phenotype in children with overweight obesity. It says here that childhood obesity has been linked to a higher chance of insulin resistance and health problems. So, using waist-to-height ratio could be a straightforward way to spot kids with a higher risk of these issues. In conclusion, waist-to-height ratio might be a useful tool to quickly find children at risk of metabolic syndrome in public health. Okay, now that you've got your article ready, let's jump into the next crucial step. Ready for this? We're heading over to Spinbot. You'll spot the link below in the comments. Spinbot's your go-to free article spinner and rewriter. It's like a wizard for paraphrasing stuff. Here's the deal. It keeps you away from that plagiarism trap. They're all about being grammar champs and jazzing up stale content. Tons of folks from all corners of the world rely on this gem. I've tried it myself, and it's like a grammar maestro. It gives a cool twist to whatever you toss its way. Articles, blog stuff, you name it. It's a bit like content magic, if you ask me. You probably know what's coming next, but let's keep it crystal clear. We're going to grab those articles you found on Google News and paste them right into Spinbot. Then, bam, hit that spin button and watch the magic unfold. All right, time to get our hands dirty. Let's start off by pasting that health-themed article. Honestly, I'm not even sure if I can put this into words, but you know what I mean, right? Let's see how Spinbot did its thing. And I'm liking the results. It's different, but still says the same stuff. No plagiarism red flags, which is awesome. And look at this health article. It got a spin and looks pretty smooth. Here's the deal. Go through the final article with a keen eye. If you want, add your touch. Trim the excess, toss out the ads, and make it shine. Now, I totally get where you're coming from. Some of you might be thinking, hold up, is this all right? Isn't this just borrowing others' content and giving it a twist? Well, don't sweat it if that crossed your mind. I had the same thought. We're all in the same boat, right? Most news platforms out there seem to report the same news, right? Do you think it's because they have reporters on the scene when the news breaks, gathering the story? Well, a lot of news networks basically reuse what they get from other news sources. And what you're up to here isn't all that different. What really counts is putting your own twist on it. If you believe this can be your way to pull in $7,500 a month, here's a little request for you. Drop a comment for me saying, I got this. Now, some folks skip the video but head straight to the comments. When they see I got this, they might be a bit puzzled, but we are speaking it into existence. Let me be clear though, don't do anything that doesn't sit right with you. But trust me, putting a twist on stuff is a common move in lots of industries. Now, armed with your newly spun article, it's time to start raking in some cash. Get ready, because I'm about to spill the details on various platforms where you can publish these articles and earn more than just pocket change. We're talking real money here. Many of them are accessible from wherever you are around the world. All right, I'm gonna lay out the websites for you. And I'll even flash a few on the screen, just to make sure you have all the info right at your fingertips. To snag that $250 a day, the number of articles you post might vary based on where you're putting them up. It could be just 1, maybe 2, or max 3. Think about it. It's pretty straightforward. You grab an article from Google News, spin it using Spinbot, and you're good to go. You could even push out an article every hour, but let's keep things real. We'll aim for a more practical 1 to 3 articles a day, which sets you on the path to that $9,000 per month goal. First up, there's .com. This place can pay you anywhere from $100 to a hefty $500 for articles on topics like health and home improvement. Then there's thepennyhoarda.com, ready to dish out $75 to $100 for articles focused on personal finance, savings tips, budgeting, and money-making ideas. Next in line, thetravelingwriter.com will shell out $50 to $200 for travel-themed articles, like destination guides and travel tips. Women on Writing, on the other hand, offers $50 to $100 for articles supporting female writers, focused on freelancing, entrepreneurship, and education. International Living has your back if you're into travel and lifestyle content, dishing out $75 to $400 per article on topics like retirement abroad and budget traveling. Now, if you're up for writing on web design, coding, and related topics, a list apart could pay you $200 to $300 per article. There's a bunch more to go through, and I'd love it if you hit that like button to show some love for the effort I've put into finding these opportunities. And if you're not already a subscriber, consider joining the Hive. Now, let's keep rolling. Another platform, strongwhisper.com, is looking to pay $50 to $150 for articles on culture, environment, and social issues. Ever heard of Listversy? They'll cuff up a solid $100 for accepted articles on science, entertainment, and history. Then there's Crackid.com, ready to offer $100 to $200 for humor, pop culture, and entertainment pieces. Dollar Stretcher goes the per-word route, giving you 10 cents per word for articles about personal finance, saving money, and frugal living. WritersWeekly.com will throw in $60 for articles on writing, publishing, and freelance work. If you're handy with Photoshop, you're in luck. Photoshop tutorials will pay you between $25 and $300 per accepted article. Income Diary offers $50 to $200 for articles on making money online, social media, and internet marketing. Tutsplus.com is good for $50 to $500 for articles on web development, design, and creativity. The Sun magazine, a literary mag, pays handsomely for personal essays, interviews, and fiction, with writers potentially scoring up to $2,000. And there's more. ProBlogger is a solid spot for freelance writing gigs on a wide range of topics, including health-related ones. ShortStack is a global platform that invites submissions across various niches. Lastly, Skyward is an open playground for freelancers who want to cover a variety of topics. Quick tip: make sure to pay a visit to the websites we've talked about and thoroughly read through their guidelines for making money and payment. Take a good look at the rates they're offering and really understand what it takes to start earning on each platform. It's crucial to get acquainted with the precise rules and policies each site has when it comes to making money and getting paid. This way, you'll be able to figure out which platform suits your content and objectives the most. Also, keep an eye out for any requirements or goals you need to hit before you can start pocketing those earnings. Stay informed and set yourself up for success. Thanks for tuning in. Today's journey through the world of online earnings has been a roller coaster, right? From Google News to Spinbot and the jackpot of platforms willing to pay for your words, we've covered it all. Remember, carving your unique path in this digital landscape is key. If this guide got those gears turning, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe to join our community. There's plenty more wisdom coming your way. This has been Digital Wealth Hive, and remember, always be wealthy.